celebration of Miss Grand Philippines 2024. As most of you know, this has been long overdue, but we promise that everything will be worth the wait as we proudly announce our 20 candidates who will vie for the coveted crown at the end of the month. So today we unveil a lot of surprises and announcements for the much-awaited Miss Grand Philippines 2024. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our friends from the pageant media, major broadsheets, and TV networks joining us today. It's a little less than a week before our coronation night, scheduled on September 29, 2024 at the Newport Performing Arts Theater, Resorts World, Manila. And of course, our winning queen will represent the country in the much-anticipated Miss Grand International 2024 Grand Finals, to be held in Bangkok, Thailand on October 25, 2024. So to those who don't know yet, Miss Grand International competition will kick off on October 3, 2024 in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. There will be activities, events to be held in Cambodia and Thailand, and then we'll transfer to Bangkok for the grand final show. I'm sure our friends from Miss Grand International will be updating us with the list of dates of the events, so make sure you follow their social media accounts as well. But in the meantime, we'd like to thank our sponsors. The Miss Grand Philippines 2024 is presented by Bench, Benchbody, and Bench Active, in cooperation with Fashion Interiors by Paul Cornelissen, Ilios Group, Pride by Ilios, and also brought to you by Mestiza, the Healthy Skin Soap, and Reyes Sacandong and Company. For this event, we'd like to invite our media friends to use any of our hashtags. Hashtags MGPH 2024, hashtag Miss Grand Philippines 2024, and hashtag Grand Reveal 2024. We'd also like to tell everyone that we're streaming live now via our Grand PH TV YouTube platform. So do check that out and tell your friends and followers about it. Share it, like, comment. So thank you very much. And now, we'd like to acknowledge some of our dear sponsors who partnered with us in this pageantry journey. And truly, Miss Grand Philippines would not be possible without all of you. Now we'd like to acknowledge some of our VIPs or our queens who joined us this afternoon. First, we would like to call on Miss Ecoteam Philippines 2023, Francine Reyes. Next, we have Universal Woman 2024, Maria Gigante. And of course, we would like to call on Miss Grand Philippines 2023, Nikki Demora. Okay, so Nikki, how have you been? This stunning and beautiful.
I'm very good, thank you. You look stunning as well.
Thank you, Nikki. Okay, so I think there's one thing that I wanted to know, or I wanted to ask you. So as a candidate yourself last year, you were able to win the Philippine crown for Miss Grand, but what would be your tips for the candidates who are joining this year?
Oh my god, I think my tip would be to be authentic. I think, being a beauty queen, a lot of us would think that we have to mold ourselves to be a certain woman or a certain standard to be able to win the crown. So I think my advice for the girls would be to be authentic, be themselves, and of course be prepared. I think the final is very soon, so the girl has only a few days to prepare for international, so they have to really prepare.
Okay, that's right, Nikki. Well, just like what she said, the girl will have a bit of a time crunch, but I guess that's also adrenaline, If you get to represent the Philippines in the international stage, that would be such an honor. But anyway, thank you so much, Nikki. We'll be hearing so much from you later, so please take a sip.
Thank you.
And now it's my honor to acknowledge and introduce one of the country's prime movers in pageant industry. Let's all welcome the National Director of Miss Grand Philippines, Mr. Arnold Vega-Frias. Let's all give him a warm round of applause. Thank you so much, Sir Arnold. And now, I don't think that I have anything left for you to say because I don't want to keep you waiting. Let's Let's meet our candidates for Miss Grand Philippines 2024. Well, I know that you guys are all excited, but for the meantime, I know press presentation is all about asking our candidates, but I would like to be joined here on stage. Anything, right, to your successor. Okay, let's start with Miss Francine.
So, my advice is just be yourself. Don't push yourself too hard kasi if finish mo yung self mo na pagkatawag sa akin na sobrang pressured, but just enjoy the pageant, just be yourself and be confident. Yun lang.
Thank you. That's right. You know, joining a pageant is so hard. And if we get to crown the Miss Grand Philippines right now, she would be in such a hurry because she would be leaving after days. How about Miss Maria?
Weird question again. Can you please repeat the question?
What would be your advice to your successor?
Okay. I think I speak for. Okay. First of all, it is so nice, but also I feel like I'm in the twilight zone being here right now because last year I was standing next to Nikki, but I wasn't competing in her competition. So it's definitely different being a host and then becoming a candidate. Yeah. But I think one thing all the girls have to keep in mind is really to trust their team. The team played a big role in getting you ready. I had 2 weeks from being appointed to competing on the international stage, and I think we share the same team, right? So ALB Pageant Circle has done so much for me in my pageant journey, and I think that if you're a newly crowned National Beauty Queen, it's very important to listen to the guidance that they have to offer, because they will also be helping you with everything you have to organize. And you know, you need to get strength from these people who are experienced and value loyalty as a queen very much.
Yes, and of course we would be expecting a one-on-one talk with the next Miss Universal Woman and
I'm flattered.
right?
You really want to hear me talk some more?
Really? I mean, I always love to hear Maria speaking, but to your successor. Okay.
Of course, and I can't believe she's here right
Yes,
now today.
I know,
right?
She's with us. Okay, and now we would like to hear Nikki.
Okay, I think I gave this advice earlier already. I think for the girls would be to really be authentic again. I think, as I said earlier, girls build themselves, right? To become what they think is the perfect Miss Grand, but really you have to stay true to your core. And like what Maria said, I really agree. You have to trust your team. Your team is your backbone. And so if you have a good team and being authentic, I think you'll go a long way.
Okay, that's right. Thank you so much, our reigning queen. So once again, let's give a warm round of applause to our reigning queens. And I know, thank you so much, you cannot wait to see the candidates once again. And now, let's welcome back